How to change multi-guest layout in TikTok Live. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. For that you need to open your TikTok but make sure that you've installed and updated the latest version of TikTok on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. So after opening your TikTok, you will see there is a plus icon on the screen. So yeah, when you tap on the plus icon, you need to go on the live, but remember that you can only go live with some certain followers. Before completing certain followers, you cannot go live on TikTok. So yeah, after you tap on the like option, you need to click on go live button, and after some 3 seconds you will be live. Now click on the guest icon, and after that when you click on the guest icon, scroll on the top, scroll down, and after scrolling the page you will see on the screen there is top right side with eye icon. Just tap on the top right side where you will see the gear icon, not eye icon. After tapping on the gear icon, what you need to do is tap on the layout option. Now on the layout option you will see the options right there, and you can choose your favorite layout there. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.